Ladies and gentlemen.
What's going on, people? Back with a bang. I'm back here to bring you guys another video today. Now, if you guys are in the Discord, you know today was a great day. Not only today, yesterday was a great day. And in fact, it was a great week, a great end to February, the nice 29th day of the month on the leap year, and a great start to March. With the first day, we went crazy. So first and foremost, I got to shout out everyone in the Discord. You all did your thing. You know, we can discuss who gave what plays, but you all did your thing. Everybody ate. And that's what I like to see. So in this video, it's just going to be a short recap of this week, you know, how we closed out the winning week. I mean, I couldn't have really asked for much more than that. Just looking at a few of the headlines, just pull up Yahoo Finance. Nvidia closes above $2 trillion valuation for the first time. S&P, NASDAQ hit fresh records. Oh my, Dell source, even Dell. Who even uses a Dell? Nobody uses a Dell. We all use MacBook these days. Or HP, you know, for some people. But Dell, yeah, nobody uses Dell. Even Dell was soaring. That's how you know it was a good week. And then, next week you got job reports. You got AVGO earnings, a couple other interesting earnings. We're not going to talk about that in today's video, but I'll do another video for that over the weekend. But yeah, man, it was a great day. It was a great day. Let's look at the charts. Look at SPX over the last. Okay, pull up the daily. Just look at this week. Started the week kind of slow, and then we just pushed. Honestly, if you're not eating in this market right now, I don't know what to tell you. This week, I mean, with the Discord alone, we ate on PayPal, AMD, Snow, QQQ, Tesla, CRM. We ate on way more than that. Those are just ones I remember off the top of my head. SPY, if you're J Money. Like, we ate off so many different ones. Palo Alto at the beginning of the week as well. Look, this market, you trade the trend. If the market's going high, you trade it higher. It's that simple. If the market's going high, like I said in the last video, if it's pulling back, it can still just pull back to go higher. That's the point we've reached right now. Markets push up, we have a green day. You know, markets sell off a couple of days, it's all good because a green day is coming. This is the market we like. This is the market we love. This is the market we know and we enjoy. I got to talk about AMD briefly. AMD, I mean, I came away with like 70-something% gains with AMD yesterday. AMD is over $200. Do you understand how crazy that is? 1 year ago, AMD was around $120. It has now almost doubled in stock price over the last year. Nvidia, $2 trillion market cap right now. Let me just show you there. $2 trillion valuation. $2.06 trillion market cap. Nvidia's up there. Hit that 822 level a couple times this week. It's just running. Everything is running. Even Bitcoin was running this week. I mean, look, Bitcoin hit the highest it's been in, I think, over 2 years. So everything was running. And now what do we do? What do we do from here? Well, I'll tell you what. We swing a few things. I'm in Cisco calls. Why? We're forming a double bottom here on the daily chart. Look at the 4-hour chart as well. You see, we're starting to find that base before we start uptrending again. Now, it's better to see a confirmation of uptrend, but to be honest, in this kind of market, you can get in early. Similar to what we did today with Tesla. So I'm swinging that, by the way. Similar to what we did today in Tesla. And again, we can discuss who said what, but, you know, the boys did their thing. 5-minute chart, we're going to see a clear pattern here in the opening 90 minutes or so. Boom, boom, drops, finds a base, pushes up, gets rejected by the moving average, finds another base, starts just sending it. Double bottom here, and a $6 run to the upside. Made me have almost a $3,000 day. QQQ as well. Made me had almost a $3,000 day. I can't complain. On a day like this, I can't complain. What can I say? This is how you want to start March. Look, QQQ, there was no pullbacks and nothing. It was straight up. Price action was straight up. It was bullish. 15-minute chart. Jeez. I don't know what to say about those. Let's talk about, you know, a couple stocks that I traded early in the week and that I'm still going to continue trading going into next week, etc. So Palo Alto, I said the target was 315 within the next couple of weeks. We hit 315 quite quickly and sold off. I still think this has got plenty of upside. I traded calls with this, and to be honest, it's still a great look. after the crazy earnings sell-off, it's still a great look. Another call I jumped in at the end of the day, Marvell, ticker symbol MRVL, still running up after hours as well, up 19 cents. So you look at the 4-hour chart, very bullish. The moving average has finally crossed to the upside, and you see it's a little bit overextended, but it's still got plenty of room to run. On a daily, we gapped up. We got earnings coming up next week, and this looks like it's a run up to earnings. But yeah, I got in just before the bell, so I'm only up like 0.1%, if that. But it is looking nice for Marvell. You want to zoom out as well, you can see that we are approaching highs that we were, I think, around beginning of February 2022. So it finally recovered after all that, that huge sell-off where we pretty much halved in price. Another stock I mentioned was Salesforce, CRM, earlier. So Salesforce had their earnings. They actually did pretty well. They beat earnings and pushed up. You see the daily chart slightly overextended now, but it's looking good for Salesforce. I still think to the upside, it's got plenty of potential. Salesforce is a bit of a weird company because a lot of companies are starting to bring Salesforce on and start using Salesforce, but at the same time, Salesforce are actually doing a lot of layoffs. So it's a bit, it's a bit of an odd time, but at the same time, hey, if you're doing layoffs, it might be bad in terms of technicalities and if we're talking about negative news. But in terms of company revenue, the people that they've laid off might have, it might have been cheaper to lay off the people than to keep the people on in terms of what revenue the guys were bringing in, depending on what position they had in the company. But for example, if they were working in sales and they're not bringing in that much revenue, well, it might have been cheaper to lay off all those people working in sales on the front line, bringing money to the company. Who knows? I don't know what's going on with Salesforce, but hey, I'm bullish. That's what matters right now. Again, if you check the daily chart, you'll see Salesforce is looking great. We've not been this high since November 2021. It's like Bitcoin. Bitcoin with the news of the halving coming in around, I think April, mid-April. Yeah, that's also helped. And people are just, when crypto does start getting going, it really starts moving. The last 3-4 weeks has been nothing short of spectacular. Bitcoin has increased by about 50% over the last month. Incredible. And so your crypto miners, Riot, Mara, have started to gain some more traction. Look, again, over the last month. Okay, Riot started to sell off towards the end of this week. Mara as well, but they gained traction. We were at $16 on Mara a month ago. We will hit highs of 33 this week. And then lastly, I'm going to touch on PayPal because I traded PayPal. I traded 3 different strikes for PayPal actually. So with PayPal, you can see it's kind of trading in this channel. I'm still bullish on PayPal. Moving averages are crossing to the upside. We're seeing more and more green days for PayPal. I can pull up on screen, I think I let 2 contracts run and those ones hit, I think 148% before I eventually sold them for, I think 127%, something like that. But I'll put that up on screen. Either way, PayPal, I'm bullish. I'm in some swings to the upside. My aim is for us to reach that $64.14 price target, maybe just below, but pretty much within this, what I call my little channel for PayPal. That's what I'm expecting, at least for us to push to the top of that channel again. And then maybe we sell off, maybe we take aim and go higher. Who knows? Tesla's also trading in a similar channel. Right here, I've got my support level. Here, my next resistance, 226. It's still got a long way to go. And again, I'm bullish on Tesla. I'm in some swings to the upside for April 19th. So that's still got over a month and it's looking pretty good. So yeah, that's mainly it for this video. Just wanted to recap the amazing trading day we had, the amazing week we had. Shout out to everyone in the Discord. Everyone was trading their own thing. We were trading together. First couple of days of the market were quite quiet for me. And then in the last few days, we just took off. I mean, you can't really complain in a market like this. There's so much opportunity. There's enough money to be made. And since you guys are making so much money right now, make sure you go check out my smartwatches, Time Gear watches, the link in the description below. Those are my own smartwatches. That's my own brand. Check the smartwatches out. If you need a smartwatch, if you think it could be useful to you or you just want to support the business, go check it out. Link in the description below. And then, of course, the Royal Trading Academy where everything is happening. We've got the calls there. We've got the puts there. We've got the trading strategies. We've got different chart analysis. We've got breakdowns. We've got live trading. We've got call outs. We've got all sorts of things going on there. But yeah, this week we did eat and we had fun in there. And then check out the second link in the description. That is the stock option starter pack. That's 10 videos. You guys will have access to those videos for life. It talks about how I trade options in regards to the strategies I use, or when I'm going for calls, when I'm going for puts. It explains the terminology. It talks about the Greeks. It talks about a lot of things, but go check that one out. And lastly, follow me on all the socials. You guys know the usual deal. But that's it from me. Be back here Sunday for the next video. But I got one to making. You got one to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.